Hi guys, it's me. The game just ended. It was a close call. It was a close call, 7-5. I got a ball, but it isn't signed. I got a signed ball. I got a signed ball yesterday, maybe when I went to my first game in tennis. And by the way, we going to restaurant. Yeah. Wait. Hello. Hi, Mama. The game was so close. Paulinho Alexiela versus Paulini. There was a lot of Filipinos. There was a lot of Filipinos in the stadium, and it was very. Alexiela said it was very intense or something like that. It was very intense. The score was all. Paulino almost win, but she was about to come back, but Alexiela still won. Where is Tita Manet? Where is Tita Manet? Alexiela won, guys. There was a lot of Filipinos too. Hi.
Hi guys.
Hello. This is the first time this year I recorded the video, I think. Looks in my grade 2 classmate Luke, but I'm in grade 3. He was asking me to post a video, so I did. I just got it in my mind somehow. I forgot to record the match, but you could see it on camera right now in YouTube. You should watch it. It was very intense. I swear it was intense. Mama, asa man siya? Look. Hi, Tita Manet. I thought you moved out already.
Ha?
I thought you moved out already.
Nakakita ani ba? Abina ko. Kuyawan ko, abina ko imuha kung tumo na ba natanggal naman ni Moses na
Dili
ala
kay
po.
Lani.
I thought you moved out already.
No, not yet. How are you?
I'm good.
Gani. Kay murag.
Isa yan.
ko sa iya ha.
Kuan yang isa ni yang dugo usog.
My tita.
Dili 3 years
Sama.
ago daw. Ang yaha mong peke, gusto na siya
Tita Manet.
magpa-pap smear.
Oo.
Tita Manet.
Iya kay namay nakita pag ano sa iya
Pap
ba.
smear?
Oo.
Isa ka na.
Kanang mura daw, murag sitaw ka na na doing sis something. Murag naagi ano sis.
Look at the metro, bro. Tita Manet.
Iba ay maray ganito. Ah.
Let's go to my dad. Let's go to my dad.
This is Tita Manet's gift to you.
Yay!
Oh guys, next siya ko na nga ang grabe.
Ano man?
Sana all.
Grabe.
Ay, nani ko. Ay, about to sleep naman good.
Say hi to the camera.
Nice because you can
Tita Manet is here. Alex, did you see the match?
Dark
I will
ako order niya.
I will count it
Mas
tomorrow.
nindot man ang original.
Did you see the game?
Ha?
Bukat.
Ano mo sa bugat mo? Sa asa mo?
Kaon pa pa. Weso.
Starbucks.
Sabi, zone, grabe.
Starbucks lang ta.
Nando sa open pang nando. Grabe pa ko.
Go, 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 go.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi. Picture first.
Love.
E?
Yeah.
Oh, straight lang.
When do you have off?
Ang nadiri kay Wendy's raman o ganang murag
Papa, I mean, Tita Manet, when do you have off?
I have off on Saturday and Sunday.
Really?
Ramadan.
Ramadan. It's Ramadan.
Ha?
Oo ka,
Ramadan actually.
Uy,
Yeah.
bro, ganang kagfan sa Pilipino, pagawas niya,
Wala
ma'am.
nakulbaan si Iyala Bayot. Kaya siya nga.
It was she said it was very intense.
Yeah.
She almost lost, but she still Sunny won.
Yung kayong scoring, grabe yung kayo.
Ah, sige.
Kulihanay gid sila.
Yeah, the
Number 8
score.
yung ano, kalaban ko. Isa
The-
na number 1 si ano, Gyapon? Katong Negra?
she won against Alexiala won against rank 8 and she's rank 47.
Yes, in?
Alex,
Ang alila kay Wendy's ra.
Tita Manet, I tell you something. Tita Manet, I tell you something.
Ano ba yung manok ng Wendy's? Wala. Wala na.
Naay ganang rice with chicken.
Okay.
Tita Manet, can I tell you something?
Ay, sa picture ko sa Dubai.
Oh my.
Tita Manet,
Oh.
it was very intense. The first set, Alexiala won 6-1. And then the second set, it was Sunny, what is this? 6-6. And then
Yeah, I saw that.
the third set was 7-5. Third set was 7-5. It took so long. It was 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Si Shams nag-order 60 ka buok. I'm going Canada na.
Why are you going Canada?
Because my boss told me to go Canada because I'm divorced.
Why? It's nothing
Because he
about
wants me
going.
to find a Canadian husband.